Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with HubSpot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard to access the sales tools. Click on the Sales tab located on the top menu. Select Deals from the drop-down to manage your sales pipeline. Create a new deal by clicking the Create Deal button. Fill in the necessary information such as deal name, amount, and pipeline stage. Assign the deal to a team member by selecting their name from the drop-down. Set a close date to establish a timeline for the sale. Add any relevant notes or attachments to provide context for the deal. Next, use the Tasks feature to keep track of follow-ups. Click on Tasks in the Sales menu. Create a new task by clicking the Create Task button. Assign the task to the appropriate team member. Specify the due date and any pertinent details. Utilize the email tool to reach out to prospects directly. Navigate to the Conversations tab and select Inbox. Compose an email template for consistent communication. Integrate your email with HubSpot to track opens and replies. Now, focus on your reporting tools. Click on Reports from the main dashboard. Select Sales Performance to analyze your team's metrics. Monitor key performance indicators such as conversion rates and average deal size. Finally, adjust your strategy based on the data gathered. Implement changes to your sales process as necessary. Regularly review your pipeline to ensure no deals slip through the cracks. Use HubSpot's automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. Educate your team on best practices for maximizing their use of HubSpot. With these steps, you will enhance your sales efforts effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.